Our natural craft high-back folding trays are perfect for presenting and displaying gift items. These sturdy folding trays are made with natural craft ribbed texture e-flute paperboard. Fill these trays with confetti shred, tissue paper, or other basket fill material, then place your items on top. Display your gourmet food items or gift and spa items with ease. To assemble your tray, start by creasing the edges and tabs. Then gently pull the left and right sides apart from each other. Fold the front flap over, locking it into the box base. Repeat this process with the high back. Your tray is now ready to fill. Visit splashpackaging.com for more unique ways to present your gift and gourmet items.